Scallywags, every great treasure story starts with an empty treasure chest.
Easy there, Captain Breadhook. I just cleaned that landing.
Now gather close, me hearties, and I'll tell you how I discovered the legendary Oreo treasure. It all began when I spotted the royal cookie galleon sailing across the milky milk sea with a cargo hold full of precious Oreo treasure. The treasure was guarded by 12 cookie knights riding chocolate-chipped seahorses. But I slipped aboard quieter than a marshmallow wearing fuzzy slippers. Deep inside the ship, I found the legendary Oreo treasure map. It was darker than midnight, wearing a black velvet tuxedo. To keep the map safe from cookie thieves, I hid it deep inside the frosty caverns of Freezer Mountains, where the winds were colder than a snowman's pajamas. Oh! Unexpected upper lip volumetric overcompensation with secondary follicular swelling confirmed. The resonance surge triggered spontaneous lateral hair deployment and aggressive curl extension. With the treasure map hidden away, I sailed toward the dreaded custard whirlpool. The waters bubbled and churned like a giant pudding having a temper tantrum. You can't rush a whirlpool, scallywags. Go too fast and the whole ocean turns lumpy. Fascinating. The follicles appear overexcited, possibly caused by uncontrolled energy discharge into the mustache region.
I can feel the pressure building near the sideburn chambers.
So I sailed slowly and carefully through the swirling waters. The currents twisted around me, ship like spaghetti wrestling an octopus. I whisked that treasure away so fast the whirlpool got dizzy and tied itself into a knot. When the waters calmed, the sea became smooth and silky like vanilla clouds taking a bubble bath.
Oh dear, it's still expanding at an alarming rate.
Status report.
Minor cosmetic mutation. Morale impact significant. Artifact amusement detected! Levels increasing rapidly. After escaping the custard whirlpool, I returned to Freezer Mountain. The Oreo treasure map had frozen solid and was ready to be cut into enchanted cookie doubloons. I placed one cookie doubloon on top of every treasure ship in the fleet. Some of you veteran scallywags might remember the Pistachio Mousse expedition and the Great Raspberry Shoe Voyage. Those brave ships carried pistachio treasure and raspberry jewels. But this fleet carried the greatest treasure of all. Cookies and cream. Mostly cookies.
This facial situation is temporary.
Dad, you feel that? Good gravy. Something out there noticed us.
Excellent.
Excellent. Come to mama, magic idiots. Ha ha. Ha ha. The fleet sailed through Puff Reef volcanoes. The enchanted cookie doubloons melted across the decks. The ships grew larger. and larger and puffier than a walrus, wearing 3 life jackets, 2 winter coats, and a marshmallow sweater. Beyond Puff Reef lay the kingdom of Oreo cloud giants. The giants folded giant cloud blankets across the sky. Ooh, yes. I don't like this thing, but it will lure them. Bring them to us. After baking the famous Maxwell Street Kahlua ring, the Oreo treasure chest was looking mighty empty. So I folded every last cookie doubloon into the treasure, filling it where it belonged. At last, I found the treasure chest. I packed each one so full of treasure it nearly burst open like a jack-in-the-box powered by espresso. And just when I thought the Oreo fleet was ready to sail, cried Muffin. Now I'm getting 2 signals. Which one feels right, honey? The quiet one? Louder? Louder? That one. But the loud one is really convincing.
Oh, come on!
That's exactly how people end up emotionally manipulated by glowing produce. I discovered 4 enchanted cloud spirits trapped inside a treasure chest. To set them free, I carried them to the Sea of Spirits, where the waters bubbled and steamed beneath the moonlight. The sea grew warmer and warmer, exactly 160 degrees of pirate magic. Then the enchanted cloud spirits awoke. At first they were sleepy little wisps. Then they became fluffy. Whoa! She's got a point. My compass just filed a complaint. The peach signal is compensating for weaker authenticity with stronger praise. Ah, yes, the classic confidence over competence strategy. Then fluffier than a sheep wearing a marshmallow sweater while sleeping on a cotton candy cloud. Great googly magoogly, the Sea of Spirits had come alive. Now that we had captured the enchanted sea foam, it was time to guide the Oreo fleet across the milky milk sea. The waves rolled in from the horizon. They rose higher than a giraffe standing on another giraffe wearing roller skates. And every ship sailed bravely through the foamy waters. Then the sunset painted the sea gold and bronze. The ocean sparkled like 1,000 toasted marshmallows dancing in the moonlight. With their sails raised high, the Oreo fleet set course for Snack Island. But wait, there was still enchanted sea foam left. And that's when It's working!
I know it's working!
See? It's working!
I see it! Oh, that's so great! Oh, you're so powerful! You go, girl!
Wait! The bottle suddenly...
Prepare for possible encounter!
Distant collapsing rapidly. The spooky part of the adventure began. The leftover sea foam drifted across the beach. It stretched, it floated, and before me very eyes, it turned into ghost pirates. Now, every proper ghost pirate wears a cookie captain's hat, and every ghost pilot stared at me treasure chest like it owed them money. One ghost was more famous than all the others. One-eyed Willie Whiskers, the most famous ghost pirate in all the seven snack sneeze.
Contact imminent.
Shucks. Disappeared again.
Sugar, at this point, we are one bad decision away from licking the asteroid for answers. Okay, I'm not ruling it out.
Hey, if the plan gets any dumber, it qualifies for government funding.
Some say he lost his eye in a pudding avalanche. Some say it was a whipped cream tornado. Willie says he sat on it. Ghost pirate crews sail into the haunted oven caverns. Nobody knew what mysterious magic awaited them inside. Uh-oh. They were tall as lighthouse towers when they went in. Now they look like haunted cannonballs. Even one-eyed Willie Whiskers got shrunk. Still famous though.